we're getting breaking input right now, and we're given to understand that Arun Jaitley has said that India can do an Abbottabad-like operation if it wants. Now, I don't have to remind people that the Abbottabad operation was the one in which Osama bin Laden was eliminated by the United States of America. They entered the Pakistani territory and eliminated Osama bin Laden. Listen to what Arun Jaitley is saying.
यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की नेवल सील एबटाबाद से ओसामा बिन लादेन को ले गई, तो क्या हम नहीं कर सकते? ये केवल कल्पना होती थी, इच्छा होती थी, एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, निराशा थी। आज तो वो भी संभव है।
Well, let me go across to our principal correspondent Aditya Anand Narayanan joining us with more details. That's a big statement, a statement of intent. If America can do Abbottabad-like operations, so can we, says Arun Jaitley.
Well, absolutely. It also shows the confidence of the government of India, no matter what sort of lies Pakistan tries to peddle, no matter what sort of, the manner in which they're using their own media for fake propaganda. The government of India is very clear that as far as terrorism is concerned, there will be zero tolerance. Enough time was given to Pakistan, enough time was given to Imran Khan also to take strong action against their own terror groups and their own terrorists. Nothing really was done. And Arun Jaitley mentioning a very important point that if the United States would go ahead and carry out an operation that took place in Abbottabad, where we saw the much needed and the much wanted terrorists at that point in time, Osama bin Laden, being eliminated, then why can't India do exactly the same? Enough warnings have been given, enough diplomatic pressures have been maintained, enough international platforms have been used by the Indian authorities and the Indian government to send a strong message to Pakistan. But it looks like Pakistan continues to live in denial, and the government of India, via that statement coming in from Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, shows the confidence with which India is moving ahead. They are using all sorts of pressures possible to show Pakistan its true place in the international community. But yes, as far as military action is concerned, again, India maintains that they have gone ahead and done a non-military action. But yes, if need be, all our forces, whether we talk about the Army, Navy, Air Force, or we talk about our paramilitary forces, all of them have been put on high alert in case there is any retaliation from Pakistan.
Yes, well,